Let's go try it out.
Alright, this little thing says it's going to reach 60 feet. And I'm going to do it one better. We're going to go 80 feet and see if it still works. And if it does, everybody's going to have to go buy one. I mean, because that's exceeding the expectations. So let's try it out. That big tree behind me is about 80 feet away. If it still works there, you guys are going to have to click the link below and go get it. So let's go. Can you still hear me? How about now? We're about 60 feet now. We're almost to the tree. Alright, we're at the tree. We're about 80 feet away. If it's still working, you guys are going to have to click the link below. I mean, we almost made a sacred oath there. So, click the link below, and for $8, you don't have anything to lose. I mean, regular price is $23, so give it a shot, click the link, and get yours today.